Once there was a young boy who was studying in school. One day, his teacher gave the class an assignment to write a story about their beliefs and faith. The young boy, who had always been curious about religion and spirituality, took the assignment seriously and decided to write a story about his strong faith in God. The boy wrote about how he had been raised in a family that believed in the power of prayer and the importance of trusting in God's plan. He wrote about how his parents had taught him to have faith even in the face of adversity, and how he had seen firsthand the miracles that could happen when one truly believed in God's goodness. As the boy wrote, he realized that his own faith had been tested recently. His grandmother, who had been his closest confidant and spiritual mentor, had recently passed away after a long battle with illness. Despite his grief, the boy had clung to his faith, trusting that his grandmother was now in a better place and that God had a plan for her and for him. The boy's teacher was moved by his story and asked him to read it aloud to the class. As the boy read, he could see that his classmates were touched by his words and his unwavering faith. After he finished, his teacher praised him for his courage and his ability to articulate his beliefs so clearly. Years later, the boy grew up to become a successful businessman and family man. But he never forgot the lesson he had learned in school about the power of faith. No matter what challenges he faced, he always remembered to trust in God's plan and to have the courage to live his life with strong faith.